Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Nita Got Sleep. And if you're new here, please go ahead and like and subscribe and also comment. So, guys, my biggest thing is never stop. Never stop working out, never stop eating healthy. Like once you stop, it is so hard to start back. I'm telling you. So honestly, my weight loss is complete. I've lost all the weight that I want to lose. I've lost actually 20 pounds more than I want to lose. So now it's time for me to like start getting my muscle weight back up. And I had a gym membership for a few months and I do not go. So today I just went ahead and booked my first Zumba class within the last few months. I'm going to see if I can video a little bit. I know I'm going to be nervous to be in front of those people, but I'm going to see if I can get some snippets, and then I'm going to tell you how I feel afterwards. This is the reason why I say never stop. I know I am going to have the meanest look on my face at the gym. I'm not going I'm not going to want to talk to anyone. I'm not going to want to speak to anyone. No one. But I'm going to do this. I'm excited. Yeah. So stay around for my next video. It'll be in this same video. I'm just going to edit this. Okay, guys. So this is me here when I went to the gym before my Zumba class started. Okay, guys, so this is me when I started the workout. This is just me, stretching, and I don't know, this is just the beginning of the class. A lot of this video had to be cut out because there was a lot of different people in the video and I didn't ask them for their permission, so I did not want to have them in my video. Um, as you can see, I am not as flexible as you would think I am. um, but yeah. So this is just a quick video. This is just my first day. I'll mainly be doing more weight training. This is just me trying to get my energy back up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Shanita, put your shirt down, girl. Put your shirt down. Yeah. All right, guys. So this is me after my workout was complete. I hope you enjoyed.